It was my first day as an Oracle FCCS consultant. I walked into the office feeling confident. After all, I came from an accounting background. Consolidation, financial statements, and group reporting were things I had studied before. I believed FCCS would simply automate what accountants already did manually. But within the first hour, I realized this was something completely different. When I logged into the FCCS application, I expected balance sheets and income statements. Instead, I saw entity hierarchies, movement dimensions, consolidation statuses, currency translation options, and data validation rules. It didn't feel like accounting software. It felt like a control system managing the finances of an entire multinational company. That's when I understood. FCCS is not about preparing numbers, it's about controlling how global financial truth is created. A few days later, the month-end close began. Everything suddenly became fast-paced. Subsidiaries from different countries were submitting data. Different currencies, different timelines, different accounting adjustments. The team kept saying, run consolidation, check data status, validate intercompany. Everyone worked with urgency because financial close has one rule: deadlines never move. One evening, something went wrong. The consolidated profit numbers were higher than expected. There was no system error, no warning message, just incorrect results. And that's the most dangerous situation in finance, when numbers look correct but are actually wrong. The client was waiting for reports, management needed finalized statements, and suddenly the pressure felt real. I started investigating carefully. First, I checked entity submissions. All data was loaded correctly. Then, currency translation. Exchange rates looked accurate. Ownership percentages? Correct. Hours passed reviewing consolidation flows. Finally, I checked intercompany eliminations. And there it was, a small account mapping mismatch. Two entities had recorded profit on the same internal transaction. The elimination rule failed silently, which meant profits were double counted. One small configuration mistake changed the entire group financial result. That moment changed my understanding forever. FCCS problems are rarely system bugs. They are financial logic problems hidden inside configuration. As weeks passed, things started making sense. I realized FCCS connects three critical worlds: accounting principles, technology automation, and corporate governance. It ensures subsidiaries report consistently, currencies translate correctly, intercompany profits disappear, and group financial statements reflect reality. FCCS is not just software, it is the backbone of financial close. In the beginning, dashboards felt overwhelming, consolidation icons confused me, validation errors felt intimidating. But slowly, patterns appeared. I began predicting issues before they happened. I understood consolidation sequences and knew where eliminations could fail. One day, during a close cycle, a teammate asked, "Can you check why consolidation stopped at entity level?" And without hesitation, I knew exactly where to look. That was the moment I stopped feeling like a beginner. I had become a consultant. Most people think FCCS is accounting automation, but in reality, you become part accountant, part analyst, and part system designer. You don't just prepare reports, you design how global organizations close their books every month. But honestly, this confidence didn't come overnight. Before joining the project, I had completed structured Oracle EPM training. I practiced consolidation workflows, understood eliminations deeply, learned currency translation logic, and worked on real close cycle scenarios. And yes, I completed my Oracle EPM training through BISP trainings. That practical exposure made real project situations feel familiar instead of frightening. Today I understand something important. In consolidation, accuracy builds trust. Executives make decisions based on consolidated numbers. Investors rely on them. Leadership depends on them. When consolidation works perfectly, nobody notices. But when it fails, everyone notices. My first FCCS job didn't just teach me a system, it taught me responsibility. Because Oracle FCCS is not just about closing books, it's about ensuring the financial story of a company is true. And that's when I realized this wasn't just a job. It was the beginning of my real consulting career.